Hi, it's Pat Pattison with the best of California. We're here in Cayucos, and I'm with Amanecer at the Hidden Kitchen, and you've recently been featured in Sunset. What's that meant?
It was a total surprise. I feel like it was like one day we had Sunset Magazine in the kitchen and they interviewed. I wasn't even here that day. It was amazing. I'm here all the time. Happened to miss it. They took pictures of our food. We didn't hear from them, and then the next couple of weeks we were in Sunset. Yeah.
That's why we're here, because we saw you in Sunset. So tell me about the place, how long you've been here, and what your specialty is.
So we have two locations. We have one just right up the road in Cambria. This one we opened the weekend of the shelter in place in March of 2020. So it's been a roller coaster. Been super lucky. We have such a strong community in Cayucos, Morro Bay, Cambria, and then San Luis Obispo at large, who supported us this whole time. We specialize in gluten-free and organic fare, specifically blue corn waffles, which are super fun. Blue corn waffles, so gluten-free. We try to source all of our ingredients locally. And then the other thing that we do here that we don't offer in Cambria are hand-pressed blue corn tacos.
Hand-pressed blue corn tacos.
Yes.
I think my daughter Jessamine mentioned those. That was a favorite. She's being the camera person right now. Is that what you liked? Yeah. She's nodding yes. She's nodding yes.
The blue corn, yeah, they're super fun. They're just unique. The story of the blue corn waffle is long and beautiful, but there's no other place that's doing anything like a blue corn waffle, so we put savory and sweet toppings on the waffles, which lend themselves to housing a lot of different flavor, which is just beautiful. Love it. And same with the tacos. Just simple food, good quality ingredients that taste good.
Now I have to ask, what does Amanecer mean?
Amanecer is a verb. It means to dawn, but I say sunrise. Sunrise. Yeah.
Well, she's having a good sunrise here in Cayucos at Hidden Kitchen. Pat Pattison with the best of California. Talk to you soon.